Hey, what's up, away? And welcome to another episode with me, Icho. Well, before we get into this, could you please do me a favor now? Hit that subscribe button, hit that bells button, you'll be notified if ever there's new content. Yeah, so now that we got the formalities out of the way, let's do this. Okay, so today we're doing another wild, wacky, crazy, weird sneaker. But as you know me, I just love weird stuff. So today's sneaker we're looking at, I prefer to call the fruit salad. That's because it's a mixed bag of things. Nevertheless, without further ado, let's dive into this. So as you can see, today we have another Kybrid. It's actually a Kybrid S2, and Kybrid S2 is actually a hybrid of a number of Kybrid silhouettes. So yeah, without further ado, boom, not just one, but boom. And immediately what you can see is that these sneakers do not match up at all. They must be the biggest mismatch. Have you ever seen relationships that are mismatched? But it's just relationships of convenience. So this is what that is, This sneaker, you see, these two sneakers, it's just a relationship of convenience. Yeah, like a marriage of convenience. So yeah, so this is the Kybrid S2 best of, otherwise known as the Kybrid S2 what the. Anyway, let's dive into it. And yeah, as you can see, it contains a whole lot of elements, a whole lot of, colors, flavors, and that's why I call it the fruit salad. So for those of you that are familiar with the Kybrid silhouettes, immediately see that this sneaker contains details, colors, and designs from the Kybrid 4, 5, and 6 silhouettes. It also has, for instance, on this side, the swoosh from the Kybrid 5 SpongeBob. And yeah, the upper also contains elements from the Kybrid 5 Galaxy PE. There's also a mashup of the details and designs from the Kybrid 4 Lobster and the Kybrid 6 Animal Style, as well as a number of other Kybrids. But yeah, this sneaker has too much to go into. But yeah, let me just highlight some of the key components of it. You see, as you can see here, it's got this padded collar. It's also got a max air unit in the heel. Yeah, so that's about it that I have for you. But what I have done, I've put together a nice video just to give you a close-up and also to give you a sort of a review on feet. But yeah, without further ado, I hope that you enjoy this. Please watch what I've put together. Once again, I'm Icho, Hope you had a good Christmas. Hope you will have a good New Year. And like I said the last time, a Happy New Year, voorspoedige nieuwe jaar. Nevertheless, I'm Icho. Thanks for joining me once again. Peace. I'm out.